Yo, what's up, everybody? This your guy, Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech.
That's right.
People, I got a package in. Let's go. Yeah, peeps, I'm up here at my official FedEx pickup spot and everything, inside of Walgreens and everything, but we shall find out what the hell I got in a hot minute. Yes, sir, yes, sir. The thing that was in the box was this right here. Yes, indeed. The new Mobile G3.
Lord have mercy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man, oh man. Shout out to Ariana. She sent this out to me.
Thank you very much.
Much love. And she asked me to give a non-biased unboxing opinion, first thoughts and all that. So enough of me yapping. Let's get to unpacking. Let's get it. All right, everybody, here we go. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Here's the box. It has some nice weight to it. Yes, indeed. The packaging is pretty good. Got the color of the device that they sent me and everything. And on the back, you know what I'm saying, tell you the new mobile website. Go ahead and visit it for some more, you know what I'm saying, some more phones and everything like that. So yeah, pretty basic packaging, but nicely put together. Let me go ahead and slip this out right here. There's the box. Yes, indeed. So that was the slip. So I guess the way that this is set up or whatever, it's the slip and slide thing, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and slide it down like that. And voila. There's a new Mobile G3 on top in the plastic. Let me lift this on out. Oh, it's in its own plastic tray. That's a very nice touch on packaging. Yes, indeed. Move this on out the way. We'll get back to that. First thing I see is the book and whatever, the instruction booklet. I will definitely read this. A lot of people don't read the instruction booklets, but that's how you get a lot of tips and a lot of tricks by reading these. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out later on. So let me put this to the side right now. Then right up under here, I get, what's this Fox thing or whatever? And a SIM card, Mint Mobile. Okay, so they sent me Mint Mobile with this right here. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Mad shout out to you guys, New Mobile. I really appreciate that. Man, oh man, oh man. All right, let me put that to the side because I'm gonna definitely install that SIM card and get it popping. Then right up under the SIM card is this right here. Let me pull this on out the package. It's a case. A clear case for the phone because protection is very good to avoid neglection.
We got a point.
Very nice touch. Soft casing, whatever, but it will protect the phone from scratches. I wouldn't trust it for too many drops or anything, but that's okay. It's free and it came with the phone, so it gets a go from me. Not bad, not bad. So far, pretty impressed. Okay, there's the charger brick right here. Get this on out the package. Oh man, here we go. Basic charger brick. Put that right there. This. And a dongle. You hear that, Apple? The phone actually came with a dongle. Let me go ahead, pop that open. Yes, indeed, yes, indeed. USB-C to the 1/4" jack, or my bad, to your headphone jack dongle. That's pretty damn cool. And it's not no BS dongle neither. This boy's kind of rigid. All right. Now, what's in this other compartment? It's got to be the cord. Yes, indeed. Here it is. The USB-C cord for the charger and everything to charge up the phone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's exactly what it is. Put that to the side. So, man, I'm about to go ahead and take that phone out the plastic to see if it's that damn drastic. Let's go. All right, peeps, it's out the case. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nicely set up and everything. No question about it. And I'm loving the layout. It lets you know exactly what's on the phone. So let's go over the specs for those who care. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The screen is 5.7 inches, 720p. Yes, indeed. It's HD+. It has a MediaTek 2.39 gig octa-core processor on deck, and it's compatible with 4G LTE, and it has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, which is cool for me. That's all I need. And it has a fingerprint sensor, dual camera setup on the back, you know what I'm saying, which is pretty cool. The megapixels on the camera, you see them right there, 13 megapixels plus a 5 megapixel rear shooter and a 13 megapixel front shooter. Now let's see the back setup. Let's go. Man, as you can see at the top, it has a large SIM tray design for a reason. It's a dual SIM phone, which is pretty damn cool for those who travel outside the country. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man, oh man. And then for a second option, you can either swap one of the SIM trays out for a micro SD card for expanding your storage, which is a pretty damn dope option. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And on the back, you can see the dual camera setup and the fingerprint sensor. But let me remove these tabs so y'all can see the whole swag of this phone. Let's get it. People, for those who know me and been rocking with me for a couple of years, man, you guys know I love flagship phones. And I must say, this right here is built like a flagship device. This phone right here, the color reeks of badassery. Yes, indeed. And I love the logo at the bottom. That's pretty damn dope. And I love the texture of the vertical lines, which in the gradient and the color of the phone, that's pretty damn hot. Man, oh man, oh man. The phone feels pretty damn good in the hand. No question about it. I don't even mind the so-called bezels on it and everything because it has so much sauce on it. Man, oh man, let's go around the phone. Man, on the right-hand side, you got the volume rocker and the power button and everything. Then on the bottom, you got the microphone here and the speaker with the USB-C port. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then on the top, you got the SIM tray on deck. Man, oh man, oh man. And the antenna bands to make you understand. No doubt about it. Then on the back, dual camera setup, the flash to the right, and the fingerprint sensor. This right here, I'm very impressed with. No doubt about it. But as you can see, there's something in the bottom of the box. Let's see what that is. It says, thank you for choosing New Mobile. Mint Mobile, little promotion card. That's pretty damn cool. I'm saying, have a question or concern, there's a number for the contact information to get with them, which is pretty damn lit. I'm liking that. All right, all right. Got some New Mobile stickers on deck.
Oh, yeah!
Well, all right, family, I'm about to power this boy up and get it set up and everything. I'll be back with you guys in a hot second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. It's all set up and everything. Went through the paces. Didn't take that long at all. Pretty damn smooth and easy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and unlock it. There's the home screen. I don't have the full setup on deck and everything, but it's coming. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, I did slap Nova Launcher on here because that's just a habit of mine. I love Nova Launcher over a lot of other damn skins out there. The only phone I don't put Nova Launcher on is my Samsung phones and everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But the way the phone moves and everything, it's pretty smooth. You know what I'm saying? No complaints at all. Man, it's pretty damn cool. Yes, indeed. Let's see how that dialer look. Come on, open up dialer. Yes, indeed. There it is. So, yeah, pretty clean look and everything. This phone right here is running an Android Oreo, which is pretty cool and pretty stable. You know what I'm saying? It might not be pie, but no lie, hey, this will make it fly. So, it's all good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In my opinion on that screen, it might be 720p and everything, but this screen right here, it's pretty damn good looking. No question about it. This 720p screen right here looks better than the one on the Stylo 4, in my opinion. It just is what it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And as a matter of fact, if you want me to make a video comparison between this G3 phone right here and that Stylo 4, comment below and let me know if that comparison is for show. All right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Man, oh man, oh man. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan China, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.